Hello everyone, so I Tejinder Singh, co-founder and director for IISAMED. Here we are finishing our course on Chennai. Today is our certificate ceremony day. Let's hear out from our doctors how their journey being with us. Doctor?
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shrikant, consultant oral and maxillofacial surgeon practicing in Bangalore. So it's been a superb journey all these 8 days. Already I told 2 supers, so you can really gauge the intensity how the training sessions were. It was holistic, very precise, and ready to go for the practice sessions. So it's really good. Thanks.
Thank you so much. I hope it's worth coming down here.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Doctor?
I'm Dr. Sarah. I'm from Kerala. So the patients were real, and we had a very hectic and tiring hands-on session, which was very great. And there was a lot of focus on anatomy, the basics. I think this is a perfect place for doctors who are planning on an aesthetic career. This is the best base you can ever
I
get.
hope this is happy tiring day, no?
Yes, it's a happy time.
It's a happy tiring day, right? Hello, doctor. Let her speak.
I'm Dr. Sindhu, and I feel I got learned more anatomy here, so I think I can include my practice in a very ethical way. So that's a hands-on. It was really helping, and it was so hectic day by day. And I'm more satisfied with this.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey, let's have from her also.
Hi, this is Dr. Shashirekha. I'm general physician. So I really had a second doubt before joining here, but after coming here, I really want to tell about this course to my colleagues too. So I'm looking forward to put into practice all these things. Actually, the live patient practice and the hands-on skill experience, the expert mentorship, and the base what we learned here, I don't think anyone will start with the basics as base as here. So I really look forward to start this in my practical sessions to use the knowledge what I learned.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. Let's hear from her.
Hello, I'm Dr. Iniyamati from Chennai. We had a great experience in learning of aesthetic course. Dr. Manish and IISAMED team had organized it in very well manner, and we all had a hands-on session over patients. So it's a great experience for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much, doctor. Let's hear from Dr. Kirti.
Hi.
Your certificate is up.
Upside. I'm so sorry.
No
I'm Dr. Kirti, consultant maxillofacial surgeon from Tirunelveli. This has been an amazing course. The last 8 days was truly a roller coaster from hands-on training and theory. And you both make a very good duo. You being the founder and director, you have made sure of all the arrangements of all the patients that you have given for us. And Manish sir, your depth of knowledge is phenomenal. You have refreshed all our physics, chemistry, geography, and all of those parts. Now I truly feel like a medical person practicing and not just merely a technician, because you've gotten the composition and chemistry of peels and physics of lasers and everything is bridged. So I feel truly satisfied. Looking forward to integrating this in my practice. Thank you so much.
So I am finishing up the training today. So this is our 8 days of journey at Chennai, where we are coming, I think, 3rd or 4th time in Chennai. And this is how training would be like morning 9:30 starting and finishing up late in the evening. This is how we feel that, okay, our doctors should be more ethical, practice oriented by the end of the day. They should be able to have that kind of a knack by the end of the day that yes, they are ready to start their practice in a most ethical way. This is how we are. Do come to us for learn the best. Thank you.